Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Lloyds Business Banking app. In 2026, the Lloyds Business Banking app has solidified its position as the most reliable big bank app for UK SMEs, successfully blending high street security with modern fintech features. And the biggest pro is its integrated accounting link, which allows you to sync transaction directly with tools like Zero and Free Agent in real time, drastically reducing admin work. The 2026 update introduced an AI-driven cash flow predictor, giving business owners a 90-day outlook based on upcoming invoices and historical spending, a game changer for financial planning. It's also incredibly easy to delegate access, allowing you to give your accountant view-only permissions or set specific spending limits for employee cards directly in app. However, its con is that permissions or it remains a legacy feel or of some deeper menu options. So um while the home screen is slick, applying for complex loans or managing international trade, finance still often kicks you to out to a web browser or requires a phone call. So, if you want the safety of a major institution and a powerful mobile office for your daily banking, Lloyds is the best traditional option available, though it still lacks the fun UI of a neobank like Monzo or Tide.